Gearbox noise.
Okay.
Okay.
Both anti-roll links are on, both tyres have been done up. We've got engine oil's good. Gearbox oil, we've just put 8.5 litres in instead of 5.5.
Starting all the bottom back up.
Yeah.
And I'll put the track on end on.
Let's go.
We're in park, handbrake is off.
Go on then. Put it in neutral. That's neutral. Well, it didn't like being in park then. It was making a really weird noise, as you heard. We've not heard that one before. Well, I've not. Yeah, that one was. Put it in drive, see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. It's cold still. It's cold still.
It's in park now.
It's in park now. So you put it in park again.
Yeah.
Seems to be fine now. Just didn't like that first initial start up.